everyone! Today we're going to learn how to draw a simple table lamp. Let's get started. First, let's draw the lampshade. Start by drawing a wide oval near the top of your paper. This is the bottom edge of the shade. Now, from the edges of that oval, draw two straight, slightly slanted lines going up. These will be the sides of the lampshade. Connect the tops of those lines with a slightly curved line to finish the top of the shade. Under the lampshade, draw two short vertical lines coming down. This part is the neck of the lamp that holds the shade. Now, let's draw the base. Color time: yellow, blue, brown. Don't forget to like and subscribe.